Hello, today we're going to look at how to open a Word application, save a document, and retrieve a document. Let us begin by clicking on the Start button. Click on All Programs. Now scroll and select Microsoft Office. Click on the Microsoft Office. Select Microsoft Office Word 2007. Click on the Microsoft Office Word 2007 for the Word application to open. The Word application has opened. You can click on the Restore button to maximize it. Now, this is the restore, but when you click, it will restore. When you click, it will maximize. It has been restored. To maximize, you click again for it to maximize. That's good. Yeah, you wanted to know about restore and maximize. You can also click to minimize. Minimize. This one you minimize and it will be on the status bar. To maximize again, you have to go to the status bar and click on it and it will come back. Now let's assume that you are going to type some document. The day is over. Let's assume that this is a document you want to save. And to save this document, you need to click on the icon at the extreme left top corner of the application. Click. Now you have save and save as. As you can see here is save and this one is save as. Now with the save as, you have a sub menu that has fallen, but you can even click on it without going into the sub menu. But save, let's look at the difference between save and then save as. Save is when you have opened a document that is already there and you are working. Then after you have added anything to your document, you go to click on save. But save as is when you are having a new document which you want to save, or if you have an old document which you want to change the file name, this is where you need to use save as. So even as it is now, since this file has not yet been saved with a given name, even if you click on save, the dialog box will come as save as. Let's try it and see. Let's click on the save. Good. So you see that this dialog box that has come is with the heading save as. So it did not save. So it has come to tell you that save as. It is the same thing. If you had clicked on the save as, this same thing would have come. Let's try it. This time we are going to click on save as, and you realize that it is the same dialog box that has come. So this tells you that it is yet a new document. That document hasn't got a name yet. Now let's give the file name. A default file name has already appeared because I typed the day is over, and that is the default file name that has appeared here. You can see it here, but you can rename it by typing delete key on the keyboard. Let's type. Now you can write the file name as you want. For example, John. Worry not about the small g. It's just for us to understand what we are doing. However, if you want John to be with a uppercase J, we can put it there. Now you have to click on the save button to save your document. So this time it has been saved, and the file name John is here. John Microsoft Word. That is the file name now, or the document name. Right. You can close this document, or let's assume that you have to add something to this John. Now let's first of all close the document and know how to retrieve the document. By closing the document, we move our cursor to the top right corner where we have this X. Then you click on it to close. You say yes. To retrieve this document, we still go to the start button. Then you click on the start button. This time, let's move to my document, because your document will be saved in that. Then you click and you see that John is there. Double click and it will open. Now, assuming you want to add something to this document, what shall we do? Yes, you have added something. What shall we do? This time, unless you want to change the file name from John to a different name, otherwise you just go and click on save, the save button, or you click on that icon and you click on save. This time when you click on save, the dialog box will no more come because you have already saved the document. Let's try it. You see that it has gone and then there's no dialog box. But if you want to change the file name, You can click on the Save As and the dialog box will come, and John is already there. If you now want to change and save this document with any other name, then you can click and save. Otherwise, let's continue to have it as John. Thank you, and I hope you can now open a Word document, save, retrieve it, and if you want, you can even change the file name. The next lesson, we'll continue to know much about Word document. Thank you, and God bless you.